Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Epic Games Launcher is not working on your Windows 10 computer. So this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Epic Games. Best match should come back with Epic Games Launcher. Go ahead and open this up. You want to select the settings icon at the bottom left corner of this window here, and then select the troubleshoot button. Once you've done this, hopefully I would have been able to resolve the problem. If you have any recommended requirements, that's just recommended, it's not required, and it will tell you if there are any issues specifically. So if you're not running an up-to-date version of Windows, your processor might not be quick enough, or you might not have enough RAM. But again, a lot of these should be recommended, so assuming that there's nothing required that isn't met, you should be good to go. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.